because I can.
I always forget to record the fun parts, but I just came in here two-stepped, and I'm not gonna do it again because I don't want to annoy Ethan. I'm back at Trackstar. So Ethan is definitely, hands down, best tuner in Dallas. I want you guys to check out their YouTube channel, at least Trackstar Media Works. But if you guys need a tune or anything done to your cars, I really encourage you guys to hit up Trackstar because Ethan is a beast. And looky here, boys. Yikes, yikes, yikes.
Yo,
what's going on, my dude?
What's going on, man?
How you doing?
Dude, how you doing? Ready?
What's up, sir? So, Mr. Mans, you're about to say bye-bye to that ugly V6. That ugly, nasty DE motor. Alright, Ethan, where's the V8?
Oh, for the...
Yeah, that's a big box.
We got some power, baby.
That is supercharge his. We got so much good stuff always happening in this shop. We got Nevo back here. We've got drift cars as usual. And this thing looks a little quick. S14, S13. My goodness. So it's literally, there's just so many cars out here.
This one right here.
This girl right here?
Yep. Sitting in
she
this,
doesn't look too bad.
Sitting in this
thing.
pile of, yeah.
Okay, guys, so I have a confession to make. As you guys can see by the title, I'm V8 swapping the Z. There's no real particular reason behind this aside from one, I just want to, and two, it will just make the car better. So, the fuel pump and I assume several other things are wrong with the Z. The VQ seems to be fine. But I kind of just got fed up with it and I got bored and I just did my Evan thing where I was like, you know what, why not just do something unnecessary but very fun. So this is the LS1 we're going to be putting into the Z. I have a few sponsors for this build that are going to be helping out. So first, biggest and most foremost is going to be Trackstar. He's going to be helping us with this and then tuning it. And then I've also got ISR. ISR provided all the kit. I've got headers. I've got the flywheel conversion and everything like that. We've got that. Got Mishimoto helping out as well. We got a bunch of people really diving into this. So we're gonna try and get this done as fast as possible. But today, my main goal is to come here, maybe start cleaning this little thing up a little bit and talk to you guys about what's going on. Get it cleaned up. I actually just got hit in the face. So this is an LS1 out of the 02 Camaro SS. The LS1 is plenty upgradable to make a little bit more power. I mean, if I want to do nitrous on the stock block a little bit later, like it's very attainable to do that. So it's going to be a really good motor. Again, this is a 5.7. Ooh, it's going to be my first V8 like sporty sport car. I've always wanted to do an LS swap, and I've seen videos of V8Zs. Wow, it's very hot, dude. It was cool. Anyways, I've seen videos of V8Zs, and they're just really awesome cars. So I want to say this is going to be a very widely disputed, thanks man, this is going to be very widely disputed. Some people are going to absolutely love this and some people are going to absolutely hate me for it, and that's totally okay. What I do want you to know, if you hear anything, is I'm surrounded by a lot of people who are very, very, very knowledgeable in the LS world. What exactly to do when you swap it in, what to do, what not to do, what motor to use. I mean, there's going to be people that get mad at me because I got an LS1. They're going to be mad at me people because I got whatever, and there's so many people going to be so hyped, and I'm very hyped people to do this. I've always wanted to do an LS swap. So I want to just explain to you real quick. I'm going to be doing like an LS2 timing chain, a really good oil pump, like an AccuSump, and I'm honestly, I'm just having, like, you see all these drift cars around me? They're all very, very, very knowledgeable drivers, and they all know exactly what to do when putting an LS into a certain chassis. So I'm getting very good cooling. I'm getting stuff to prevent oil pressure issues, and that's not to say it's very possible this could blow, but it's a drift car. That is, I'm literally just too expected at this point. So I want you guys to know, I'm very excited to do this and to open myself up to the world of the LS. There were some options I could have done with my 350Z to get it to run a little bit quicker than this, but once I get everything for this, it shouldn't take that long. I'm gonna go ahead and get this sucker a little shined up. She deserves to be a little cleaned and make it look really nice and start maybe disassembling her a little bit today. Ooh, oh my. Oh yeah, oh yeah, ooh yeah. Oh no, not the cloud goggles, no! Crap. Oh well. So this is my first time experiencing the LS life. I didn't know that there was one single cam that ran through it. Like, I'm so used to these tuner cars with 2 cams per head, or on a head. But this is so simple. So you have these little arms that get pushed up by the cam, right? And that then in turn pushes the spring down, Ethan.
Oh, I don't know how it works.
It's cool. It's different. It's a little gunky, but the sleeves are what's important.
Yeah, I mean, you can definitely still see the factory cross.
Yeah.
Is it clean? No, it's not.
No, but it can be, and it will be.
There's not 40 pounds of RTV on it.
That is nice. That is nice for sure. We're gonna basically be doing the same thing we did to the VQ to this motor. We're just gonna give it a nice refresh, make sure everything's good, because it will see the rev limiter all the time.
All the time.
Dude, nice. That's nasty.
Yeah, that's why these graphite style head gaskets, just garbage, dude.
No. It literally is a pencil. Like you can. I'm gonna get everything cleaned up though. This is can't wait to do it again. All over again. Nasty.
Why they? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to paint a Mustang at some point. Continuously rotating.
Gotcha. Because it's got to go around all the.
And you'll find a tight spot, and then you rotate, and then you'll find it. You kind of feel it slide back. There you go.
Oh, it's so tight.
The cam actually looks pretty good.
That's the creepiest thing I have ever heard from Cody. That's the deepest voice possible. Need bigger ribs. Hey!
Howdy.
We got her. So I'm gonna get a bigger one of these. I didn't mention that earlier. Here's the mess we made for the LS1. We got pretty much everything taken apart from it. I'm gonna go to the store here in the next couple days and grab a new cam. I'm gonna get piston rings, new bearings, and stuff like that. We're essentially just gonna be using the stock crank and the block, and probably maybe refreshing a piston or two. But that's it. I have no reason, really, to do this, except for the fact that it's fun. I've seen a lot of V8Zs, and they're really cool, and that's pretty much it. Engine swaps or something. It's just interesting. I like whenever everything works together. I would like to do it in a clean way too. I'd like to spray the engine bay and make all the wires nice and stuff. I want to do it really, really good, and I want this car to be built really nicely. It got off to kind of a bad start, and I'm excited to kind of revive the car a little bit and bring it back. I'm very excited to drive it. Right now, it's not in a place where it can't even drive. Oh! And I actually, I've been asking on Twitter if anybody has 370 badges. The reason why is because I want to put 570Z on the back. So if you guys have a 370 badge lying around that's not dipped or anything, I would love to grab it from you because I want that badge. Yo, got this clean Rocket Bunny Z over here. It's clean, bro. I dig it. That's loud though. We made it. We only used half a tank of gas today. I have a check engine light on, which is fine because it's definitely okay, and it was worth hitting boost so many times. So to end today, what do I want to say? At the end of each video, I give you guys daily advice, and I think my advice for today is to, sorry, I have to keep the car running to keep oil flowing through the turbo to cool it down a little bit because I was going a little sandy. Something I would encourage you guys to do is try really hard to live with an open mind. There's a lot of people out there that are going to have differing views than you and differing habits, a differing lifestyle. And that's okay. It's okay. You don't have to accept it, but like living with an open mind is probably one of the most important things I've learned to do. Because, you know, I have my views and I have the things that I like and I don't like, but you know what? What I have learned to love is like, I just love people. Like, I don't care who you are, what you do, what color you are, what you believe in. It doesn't matter to me because like you're all amazing people. Having an open mind means realizing that one, maybe you're not always correct, and two, maybe other people have things to say. Live with an open mind. It's very, very helpful. It has really changed my life, and it changes the way that I see people, that I love people, that I interact with people. Like, live with an open mind. Do not be closed-minded. It will ruin your life. It'll ruin yourself. You will surround yourself with a lot of very stuck and closed-minded people, which also reminds me, surround yourself with open-minded people as well. That's the best way to become open-minded. Believe what you believe and be strong about that, but also just live with an open mind. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am very excited to have my first LS car. It really is exciting to me. It might not be the best thing, but hey, almost every FD car has one. Itching to do a swap, and we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna go inside. My wife's gonna be pissed. Like, I literally wore the worst thing possible to work on an engine today. I take apart a motor, but it is what it is. I learned that LSs are simple, and I can't wait. Love you guys. Bye. 2 videos for you right in front of your. I make it so easy on you. They're just right there. You can just click on them and watch them. If you haven't watched either of those, make sure you watch them. If you have, thank you, but watch different videos or rewatch some more because they're all good.